To make Neerulli Baje, we need 3 onions. Cut them into thin slices. Put the sliced onions into a mixing bowl and spread the slices apart. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and add a pinch of hing. Now I will grind 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Make a coarse powder or until the coriander seeds split apart. Then add this to the bowl. Now mix it until the onion is coated, and you will also notice the onions start leaving water on its own. Next add 1 cup of gram flour and mix it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to get the desired consistency. Then mix well. Heat oil in a frying pan. Make the desired shape and keep it in medium flame. And after 2 to 3 minutes, turn around. Finally, the crispy Neerulli Baje is ready to serve.